What's the meaning of annunciator? Annunciator. 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 Annunciator.
An annunciator is a device that provides important information to the user through audible or visual alerts. These alerts typically indicate the status of a particular system or process, such as an emergency, malfunction, or warning. Annunciators can be found in various settings, including automobiles, aircraft, and industrial plants, and are often designed to be intuitive and easy to understand. In many cases, annunciators are critical to ensuring the safety of individuals and proper functioning of equipment, making them an important component of many complex systems.